Hi guys, AR Malik here. In this video, I am going to show you how to check if your WhatsApp is hacked or not. This method is very easy and simple. You have to simply go to your WhatsApp application, open up WhatsApp application. Now tap on three dots in top right corner. Now click on option of linked devices. Tap on it. Here you can see linked devices are showing here. I don't have linked any device. When I click on this option link a device, it is giving me option to link a first device. It mostly linked a device when someone take mobile from us and he link our mobile with his own WhatsApp and he watches all our messages. Tap on three dots again and click on setting. Click on first option which is account. Click here and tap on two-step verification option. I am going to add my two-step verification on my WhatsApp. I have already turned on my WhatsApp two-step verification. You have to simply click on turn on option and give a two-step verification. You have to simply enter 6 digit for your two-step verification. It will secure. Now go back and click on security notification. Scroll down. Show security notification on this device. Turn this on. When you turn this option on, if someone try to reach your WhatsApp, I try to hack your WhatsApp, it will send you notifications. You will secure your text messages, audios, photos and location, all these. Like, comment and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching full video.